Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we break down crypto essentials in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Bitcoin from Arculus Wallet to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this guide will help you move your Bitcoin securely and efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, let's get you set up in no time. First things first, before we jump into the steps, make sure you have a few basics covered. You'll need an Arculus wallet with Bitcoin in it, a linked Coinbase Wallet account, and two-factor authentication enabled on both for added security. This isn't just about speed, it's about protecting your assets in 2025's dynamic market. Alright, let's break it down step by step. Start by opening your Arculus Wallet app on your device and logging in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your Bitcoin holdings. Look for the Assets or Wallet section and select the Bitcoin you want to withdraw. Next, switch over to your Coinbase Wallet app. Go to the Receive tab, choose Bitcoin, and generate or copy your unique wallet address. This is crucial, so double-check it to avoid any mix-ups. Now, head back to Arculus Wallet, select the Send or Withdraw option, and paste that Coinbase address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Remember to account for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Review all the details carefully, including the transaction summary, and hit Confirm. You'll likely need to verify this with your PIN, biometrics, or a security prompt for that extra layer of protection. Once confirmed, sit tight. The transaction will go through the blockchain, which might take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic. Keep an eye on both wallets to track the progress. A quick tip: always use official apps and avoid public Wi-Fi for these transactions to minimize risks. If you encounter any issues, check the help sections in your apps or reach out to support. There you have it. That's how you withdraw Bitcoin from Arculus to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. It's easier than it sounds once you follow these steps. If this helped you, hit that like button. Subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.